Welcome to programming and problem solving using Python. In this session, we will be seeing logical operators in Python. In Python, there are three logical operators: AND operator, OR, and NOT operator. Let us see one by one how they work. AND operator returns the true value when both the operands are true. OR operator returns the true value when any one of the total number of operands is true. And the NOT operator returns the negation of operand. How we can use them? For using the AND operator, we simply write and the left operand and right operand. For using OR operator, we simply write OR, and for NOT operator, we write NOT. Let us see how they work in Python shell. Here I have opened the Python shell. Let us see how AND, OR, and NOT operators we can use. If we have a condition like 2 is greater than 1, then AND operator, and 3 is less than 5, it returns the true value because 2 is greater than 1 is true. We are ANDing this first output with this second output. What is the second output? For the second comparison, 3 is less than 5, so this is also true. If both the values are true, then AND operator returns the true value. If any one of the above value is false, then it should return the false. Let us see here. If I write 2 is less than 1, so this is false, and 3 is less than 5, this is true. First condition is false, so it is returning false. If we have multiple conditions to check, then we can use this AND operator multiple times. So AND operator can be used for more than 2 operands. Let us check with OR operator. Suppose 3 is less than 5 or 5 is greater than 10. So here first condition is true, but the second one is false. But OR operator wants only a single condition to be a true. If any one of the two condition is returning a value true, then the OR operator returns the value true for this whole expression. So this is returning true value. Now let us say we have condition like 5 is greater than 3, so this is true value. Okay, but if we want to negate this value, then we can use this NOT operator. So NOT 5 is greater than 3, you can see here it returns the false. So this is how the NOT operator works. OR operator works like this. It also used in more than 2 operand scenario. In control flow statements, we have a conditions to check, so in those statements we use these operators to check those conditions. We can use these operands multiple times in a single statement for more than 2 operands also. So this is for the logical operators in Python. Stay connected till the end of the course.